Nothing brings people together in the wild like a hearty, campfire-cooked meal. But to make that happen, you need the right gear that's both practical and high-performing. When it comes to outdoor cooking, packing the essentials is key to making your adventure both enjoyable and efficient. In this guide, we've gathered the 10 amazing camping cooking gear for outdoor cooking in 2024, each item chosen for its rugged durability and ease of use. Whether you're whipping up a feast or keeping it simple, these tools are guaranteed to elevate your cooking game in the great outdoors. Let's fire it up and get cooking. The YETI Hopper Flip 18 Soft Cooler is designed to tackle any adventure while keeping your food and drinks chilled for hours. Built with YETI's ultra-tough dry-hide TM shell, it's waterproof and resistant to punctures, mildew, and UV rays, making it durable enough for the wild. The Cold Cell TM closed-cell rubber foam insulation ensures longer-lasting cold retention, outperforming typical soft coolers. Its wide, flip-top opening and leak-proof Hydrolock TM zipper make loading and accessing contents effortless. Carry it comfortably using the double-stitched handle or ergonomic shoulder strap. With Hitchpoint TM grids, you can easily attach accessories like bottle openers for added convenience. The cooler's cubed shape makes it easy to haul and store, perfect for camping, hiking, or beach outings. For anyone needing durability, portability, and performance in one, the YETI Hopper Flip 18 is the ultimate outdoor cooler. The GSI Outdoors Santoku knife set is a compact, all-in-one solution for campers who love cooking outdoors. It features 3 stainless steel knives, 4 paring, 6 chef, and 6 serrated, with protective sheaths and ergonomic rubber handles for a safe, steady grip. The set also includes a folding cutting board that opens to a generous 12.6 x 9 inches, perfect for meal prep. For easy cleanup, it comes with a dual-sided microfiber cloth, one side for gentle cleaning and the other for scrubbing tough spots. Everything fits into a durable, organized nylon case, complete with a soap bottle and dishcloth for on-the-go convenience. Lightweight, durable, and versatile, this set is the perfect companion for your outdoor cooking adventures, ensuring you can prepare meals like a pro no matter where you are. The Eureka SPRK Plus butane camp stove brings convenience and power to your outdoor cooking. Equipped with a powerful 11500 BTU burner, this camp stove lets you quickly whip up meals, from perfect pancakes to sizzling steaks. Its precise simmer control ensures you can cook with ease, while double-walled wind protection maintains fuel efficiency, even in challenging conditions. With adjustable feet, this stove stays level on uneven surfaces, and the integrated fuel compartment fits 8 O's. Butane canisters for compact storage, fuel not included. It's designed to handle pans or pots up to 11 inches in diameter, making it versatile for various camping meals. Lightweight and portable at just over 5 ALBs, the Eureka SPRK Plus is easy to pack for any adventure. Whether you're camping in the backcountry or enjoying a day at the park, this stove will help you cook like a pro outdoors. The YETI Rambler Travel Mug, 20 fledras, is your go-to for keeping beverages at the perfect temperature during your adventures. Made with durable, kitchen-grade 18/8 stainless steel, this mug is puncture and rust-resistant, ensuring it can handle tough outdoor conditions. The double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks hot or cold for hours, whether you're on a morning commute or a weekend camping trip. Its leak-resistant Stronghold TM lid prevents spills, so you can carry it with confidence. Plus, the shatterproof BPA-free design means it's safe and easy to clean. Just toss it in the dishwasher. With a cup-holder-friendly shape, this travel mug fits seamlessly into your car or gear, making it the perfect companion for any journey. Light, tough, and reliable, the YETI Rambler keeps your drinks secure and at the right temperature wherever life takes you. The Stanley 14-piece Wildfare Go-To Bowl Prep and Cook set is designed for campers who love a good meal in the great outdoors. This set includes a 1.65 Q-Teeters stainless steel saucepan with a fold-and-lock handle, making it compact and easy to pack. The stainless steel lid features vent and strain holes for convenience. It also comes with non-slip cutting boards that double as silicone trivets, adding versatility to your camp kitchen. The two 16-ozend bowls stack neatly, while the two-piece sporks and spatula expand to full size when in use. Crafted from 18-8 food-grade stainless steel, this BPA-free set is durable, induction-compatible, and dishwasher-safe. Thanks to its nesting system, the entire set packs down small, making it easy to transport. Perfect for any outdoor adventure, this all-in-one cook set ensures you have everything you need to prepare and enjoy meals at camp. The Jetboil Flash cooking system is your go-to for fast, efficient cooking in the backcountry. Designed as an all-in-one system, it combines the burner and cooking vessel for rapid boiling, making it perfect for boiling water in a flash. Just 100 seconds to boil 16 flake saws of water. The 1-liter Flux Ring aluminum cooking cup with an insulating cozy keeps things lightweight and ready for adventure. Jetboil's push-button igniter makes starting the stove a breeze, and the color-changing heat indicator lets you know when your water is ready. Its updated lid design ensures a comfortable grip, while the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup and bowl. This system is compatible with isobutane propane canisters and Jetboil accessories like the coffee press and Flux Ring cooking pot, all sold separately. Plus, the stove and a 100-green fuel canister, not included, stow neatly inside the cup for compact travel. Ideal for backpackers seeking speed and convenience. The GSI Outdoors Destination Kitchen Set 24 is the ultimate compact kitchen kit for your camping adventures. This set packs a punch with 24 essential cooking tools, all stored in a durable ballistic nylon case that keeps everything neatly organized in your chuck box or camp kit. Whether you're flipping pancakes or simmering a stew, the high-temperature nylon 6x6 spatula and spoon are designed to fold and pivot for easy storage and use. This set also includes waterproof salt and pepper shakers that screw together to keep spices fresh and dry, along with 2 soft-sided condiment bottles for your sauces or oils. With a lightweight design, just under 2 kg, it's easy to carry along on your trips. Compact and convenient, this kitchen set is a must-have for campers who want to cook like a pro in the wild. Perfect for whipping up gourmet meals around the campfire. The OXO soap-dispensing brush with storage case is a compact palm-sized tool designed for efficient scrubbing during camping trips. Its durable nylon bristles are tough on grime, but safe for non-stick cookware, making it a versatile cleaning companion for your outdoor kitchen. With a simple press of the button on top, you can dispense the perfect amount of soap, making dishwashing easier and faster. The brush features a leak-proof valve that prevents soap from spilling, even when exposed to varying temperatures. Its handy storage case includes an inner post that prevents the valve from dispensing soap while stored, and it snaps shut to keep everything clean and secure. Whether you're traveling or setting up camp, this lightweight brush is perfect for your outdoor dishwashing needs. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning after your trip. The Dometic Go Hydration Water Jug 11L is your ultimate water companion for camping trips, outdoor adventures, or even rehydrating after intense activities. Its compact yet spacious design holds up to 11 liters of water, with a small footprint that fits easily into tight spaces like your car's wheel well. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade LDPE, it ensures your water stays clean and safe to drink. This jug is built for convenience with 2 openings for easy filling, dispensing, and cleaning. The flow reducer helps with smooth pouring, and the webbing handles make carrying a breeze. Additionally, the jug features tie-down guides for secure transport during bumpy rides. A quick connect CPC fitting allows you to attach accessories like the Dometic Go Hydration Faucet, sold separately. Whether for quenching your thirst or filling up your pet's bowl, this durable jug is essential for outdoor hydration. The Ignik FireCan Portable Propane Fire Pit is a compact and durable solution for campfire enthusiasts who need portability and efficiency. With its rugged ammo can design, this fire pit is easy to transport and store, perfect for those spontaneous camping trips or tailgate gatherings. Setting up is a breeze thanks to its folding legs and quick-release hose system, allowing you to get the flames going in seconds. The removable lid with a built-in carrying handle adds even more convenience. The mesh sides ensure excellent heat transmission, giving you warmth right where you need it. With a propane-fueled design, it may be allowed during certain burn bans. Always check local regulations, making it a reliable option for outdoor warmth even when campfires are restricted. Its 38,000 BTU output guarantees plenty of heat, while the raised design enhances safety. Fuel up and get ready for cozy nights by the fire with this compact portable fire pit.